You got to check out our Rhino Evolution 3D winch bar on this Nissan NP300. This bar will cover the NP300 2015 to 2020, where it then changes shape to the new model. This bar looks amazing, and actually a lot of people say they love the older MP300s. It looks amazing on this particular vehicle. We can start down the bottom on the features that this bar has. This one comes standard with a 5mm alloy bash plate. It's been optioned in a powder coat black, but they do come standard in a polished alloy finish. They give a really good angle of approach and excellent protection as standard on this bar. Step up here and you've got your 2 rated recovery points at 4.7 tonne each. These make it very easy to access your recovery points in a situation where you're in the bog. A lot of them are actually down further, so this increased height does assist access. Step up here and we've got LED fog lights, which also include an indicator and DRL function as standard. This vehicle is rated at a 12,500 pound winch, which sits internal of the bar, including the relay box, so you don't see any of those extra parts sitting on top of the bar. Comes standard with a pivot up number plate bracket to access your fair lead area for recovery. This one here will, as I noted, take a 12,500 pound, but in this particular vehicle, a 9,500 or a 12,000 is also sufficient. You step it up here, it's had an optional light mounting bar fitted on this particular Rhino bar. This enables mounting of accessories for lights and antenna. This one here has been optioned with a bracket for a CB antenna, but you can also add antenna and lights onto that same light mounting bar. It's been color coded in a silver to match the Duco of the vehicle, but we've also chosen to keep the upper mid in the standard powder coat black, just to contrast against the silver. You can color code the upper mid as well if you want more of that custom streamlined look. You can see the profile of the bar really does flow well with the guards. We've spent a lot of time to get these curves and profiles right on this particular vehicle, and you can see it's really paid off. The guards do continue around nicely and work into that wing area. The wing is quite upswept, so it does give really good clearance to those wheels and tyres for off-roading and enable you to sort of really drive up to those rocks to pop up them without bumping anything. If you come around further, this particular build has a set of ROH crawlers on it. We think they work really well on the NP300 and do give a nice look that complements our Rhino bar. This one here also has a set of our rock sliders. These rock sliders give really good protection to your sill and the lower of your doors. If you are going full driving and you've already done your bar work, rock sliders are a good next step because they do give that added protection. A lot of the times you can get over stuff, but you do slide and bump those lower sills, so that will protect that area of this particular vehicle. Our sliders also do include in 2 spots high lift jack points, and they are rigidly mounted to the chassis, so you can easily high lift jack off these sliders, which makes it very easy to do repairs and recovery work on the vehicle, because it is an easy place to actually access on this particular vehicle. If you want to see any of these accessories that we've mentioned on this particular vehicle, check out rhino4x4.com.au and search for NP300, and all the technical specs and details will be there.